Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to understand how we can create private variables and method in Dart programming language. So for that, we create one file. I say 41 private use.dart. Here I declare main method. Remember that I'm creating a class here. I say sum. Inside this, I am declaring two variables num1, num2. These are normal instance variable, but if I put underscore inside this like that, so they will become private variable, private variable. Remember that. Now I declare one method as a private. So I say int, I say calculate method like this. And I declare this as a private because this is underscore starting from underscore. And I say return. Here I say underscore num1 plus num2 using underscore like this. Remember, so I'm using this. This is the method calculate which I am declaring as a private. Now I create object of this class here. Remember, and I say sum s1 equal to sum, and I say s1 dot underscore this equal to 20, s1 dot underscore num2 equal to 40. Remember that s1 dot underscore calculate like this. Remember, I'm using this and I'm using this under the print statement because I have to display the sum, and I say here that sum equal to and dollar and this one and this one and this one. Okay, now you see I'm saying that this is the private variable, this is the private method, but if I run this program it will run normally without any problem. You see, sum is 60. So if these are private variables and method, then how it is possible to call it outside this class? Remember that in Dart programming language, if you create any variable private or method private, that can be accessed within a file. This is the same file. So under this file, these all variables and methods are visible. Remember that. But if you declare these variables and these class in different file, and then if you import it here, then they are private, and then they are private in nature. Remember that. How? I'm creating one more file here. I say here private sum dot dart. This is the class. Now in this class I create a library. I say library and I give the name here sum. Remember that the library name is sum. So I create this class here, cut it from here, and I paste it here. Remember, then this private methods. Remember that I come here and I use import here. So I say import, and here I say 41 this start like this. Now you see by this library, because we have created the library, now I'm able to create an object of this. But you see it is an error. They are saying that this underscore num1 is not defined. This is also not defined. This is also not defined. Remember that because they are declared as a private under this file. So how we can do? How we can initialize this? How we can do this? So for that, what I do? Suppose I create here one more method which I can use outside. I say add. Under this, I declare var num1, n1 or var n2. Remember. And then here, I say this dot num1 equal to n1, this dot n2 equal to n2 because I'm initializing this, and then I'm using print statement and I say sum equal to underscore and under this curly bracket, and I call the function this one. Remember, because these are private, so we cannot use outside the class, but I can use this add as outside the class. So I'm using this like that. So now I try to do this. So for that, just remove this because there cannot be access, but I have to use it here s1 dot add. Remember, and I'm passing here value like this, semicolon. Now you see, because this is public, normal instance variable, instance method. Remember, instance method, this is normal. So now this add is a normal instance method like this. These are private method, private variable. So I'm using this inside this method. Now if I try to run it, you see that 112. Now program is running without any problem. So we have learned in this video how to create a separate library like this, how to import this like this, and how to use here, how to create private variables and method within a class. And remember that in same file, all private variables and methods are behave like a public because you can access it within a file, but outside a file, they cannot be accessed. Only public or normal instance method can be used. Remember that. So in Dart, we do not have a private protected or some other kind of keyword for this, means do not have such kind of accessifier. We have this underscore symbol to make private variable and private method. I think you understand clearly how to create private variables and methods in Dart. If you got some knowledge from this video, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like this video, share to friends, and thank you for watching this video.